What's going on, T-shirt family? It's your boy, Mr. T-shirt, back with another one. And today we're doing a company review on Total Ink Solutions. We're going to be going over some of their vinyl, how they hold up to different types of garments, and the different type of vinyls they offer. So let's jump into it. All right, so let's see what we got here in this big box. See, they send quite a few different samples, so let's see what we got here. We got some Deco Puff. We have a glitter. Did you guys see that? They call that Deco Flex glitter. Okay. This is a Deco Flex subblock. Got a holographic Holoflex sparkle. Take a look at that sample. Pretty cool. Even though, I don't do too much with holographic and sparkles. That's not really my thing, but it's good to always have some, you never know. Here's another design foil. Looks like a printed, different pattern prints that they offer. Oh, here's one of my favorites and often used. Quick CAD metal. So it's like your metal foil. Another one that I use kind of often is mid VIS reflector. Deco Flex mid VIS reflector. So this is like if you're riding around at night and the headlights shine on you, gives that reflective look, which is pretty cool. Not to mention safe. Then we have a Deco Retro Rainbow. That's pretty dope. You can see the colors changing in there. Then we have Velflex Ultimate Flock. Maybe we'll try this one out as well. And we also have our Deco Flex Performance. So this is kind of like what you see they make jerseys out of. Jersey numbers. As you can see, it has the holes in it, so it means that the vinyl is easy to breathe through. So it doesn't hold moisture, it doesn't hold sweat. And then last but not least, we have Quick CAD Silicone. Okay. So I think today what we're going to experiment with is maybe a couple of the vinyls that I use frequently, just so I can give my input on what I think of them. So one of them that I do use, and it's pretty cool because I've never used a black puff before. So I'm going to definitely use the Deco Flex Puff. Okay. The Flock. I've used a couple times, but I'll do another sample using the Flock so you guys can see what that looks like. I'm not sure if I have any type of jerseys or, you know what? I'll maybe see if I can put this Deco Flex Performance on a t-shirt because I do want to try this out as well. And this rainbow, the Deco Flex Retro Rainbow. And the glitter, again, like I said, I don't use too much in my, designs or for my orders. The subblock, I may be using, definitely will start using this with when I do my sublimation projects. Okay. Again, holographic sparkles. Not really something that I use, but if you guys would like me to test out, if there's any vinyls at all that you would like me to test out, please comment below if we don't get to them today. And I'll just make a second video sampling those vinyls that we didn't do. Design foil, another pattern one. I don't really use too much. Okay, so we'll put those to the side. The reflector, I'm quite familiar with, just like the metal foil, gold metal foil. So I'll put these to the side. I use these, like I said, I use these often. I'm pretty familiar with them, so it's just a matter of, I'll test them out on maybe, one of my next orders and see how how it comes out, how it holds up. All right, so let's just get set up here. Give me 2 seconds. And let's get some t-shirts out. Let's get the heat press going. Let's get some cuts, some designs. Let's get this party started. All right, so one thing they didn't do is send any type of instructions with different press time and temperatures for each of the vinyls. And I guess you can go on their website and get all that information. So we're at Deco Flex Puff on Total Ink Solutions website. And under the application settings, it says 305, medium pressure, 8 to 10 seconds, and it's a hot peel. So what we're gonna do is, let's set up a design, something that we're gonna design real quick. All right, so we'll bring the camera in a little bit so you guys can see. So we're just going to use a set of headphones from Shapes library that I have. Well, it looks like we cut the Deco Puff on the shiny side up. So you're going to be cutting onto the shiny side. And so we're just going to read this out. And as I said before, there's two sides. The matted side, and then you have a shiny side. When you stick the vinyl in your cutter, you're gonna put it in with this side, the shiny side, facing up. So you're gonna be cutting on the shiny side. I know usually on regular vinyl, you usually cut on the matted side, the more plain side, but with the Deco Puff, you're gonna cut it with the shiny side up. Let's just cut some of this excess off. Now you have your headphones. Okay. Now we're gonna go over to the heat press. Heat press is heating up to 305. I'm gonna have it on there for 8 to 10 seconds. Pre-press. We're gonna line them up. So we have our headphones on. Cover sheet on. And now we're gonna press for 8 to 10 seconds. So this is what it looks like before you even take the transfer sheet off. You can tell that it's puffed up already. It's a hot peel, so we're just gonna peel it. Look at that. You can touch it, you can tell it's puffed up nicely. So this is what your puff shirt looks like. See that puff up close? So it has a nice feel to it. Definitely can tell that it's puffed up, raised. Great looking vinyl. Pleased with how it came out. This puff, Gets 2 thumbs up from me. So now on to the next final. All right, so we have a black shirt now. We're gonna do a quick pre-press on this one. And we're gonna apply the Deco Flex Performance. So I went ahead and cut out a number already. So we can go with good old Curry 30, cooking curry. This is gonna get pressed for 8 to 10 seconds. Let me see how that came out, nice and crisp. Edges are all smooth, no lift edges. So it's nice and flush. It's very thin, so it's almost like it's one with the fabric, with the shirt. And this goes on 100% cotton poly, even dry fit shirts, dry fit material shirts. But the color is nice and vibrant. As you see the little holes that I was mentioning earlier. So it holds no moisture. And that came out pretty dope as well. I like that. Could use that for some of my customers who have kids that's on sports teams. So that'll be a GOAT as well. Green check. This is that rainbow color changing one. I think I should do this on a black shirt or a white shirt. Let's see. This is a hot peel, so we're gonna peel it right away. So it came out pretty dope on a black shirt. Still visible. See if we can see the colors changing. That's hot. Yeah, that's hot. See if I can move out of the shadow so you can see it. See it there. Colors changing. And that's the Deco Flex Retro Rainbow. Yeah, that's one I'll definitely add to my collection as well. I like that. I'm always a favorite of hot peels as well. For some reason, I always think they peel smooth. Last but not least, we have the Velflex Ultimate Flock. All right, so let's get to it with this one. Let's do our pre-press. Few seconds, hold it down here. Let's put our cover sheet over, and we're at 305 for 8 to 10 seconds. Let's sit a little high. At 305 for 8 to 10 seconds. Press. It's a hot peel. I'll peel it. That's kind of dope. That feels nice. Gives you that like velvet type of feel. Has a nice little texture, soft texture. Sits down on the shirt, on the garment, flush. No lift corners. I think when I was reading on this one, it was speaking of an adhesive that's on the back of the vinyl that actually adheres to the shirt a little stronger than the average vinyl. So that's kind of cool too. But just the look alone. For me. And that's something I'll most definitely put into my category of vinyls. I like that. You see, I don't know if you can really see the texture, but if you ever worked with flock vinyl before, you know the type of feel it has. So Total Link Solutions, they're a go for me. I mean, they have some awesome vinyls, from flock to puff to the different glitters, the holographics, to the rainbow, retro rainbow. You know, you name it, they have it. They have it in stock. Just hit them up. I'm happy to be a part of them now. Check out my links. You know, you can find the affiliate links all in the description below to each of these vinyls. And shoot me a comment. Let me know how you guys felt about this review. You know, if you've ever worked with Total Link Solutions, have you ever worked with Velflex vinyls, the different textures and so forth. Let me know what you think of them, or what vinyls you guys currently using if you're not using those. But this is just another company that you can add to your library of excellent, great quality vinyls. I'll also be doing a video later on wash cycles and how some of these vinyls held up during the wash cycle, how the garments looked before and after. So stay tuned to that. Now, if this video has helped you guys in making decisions of where or what type of vinyls to get, the different textures and so forth, click that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys like to check out more reviews on companies in the t-shirt game, click on the link above. As always, I'm Mr. T-Shirt, signing off. Peace.